I was 36 when I started having symptoms. I couldn't brush my teeth without being in pain. I would have to stop and put my arm down because I couldn't hold the toothbrush up long enough. I had to stop blow drying my hair because it hurt and it just made me sad. I didn't want to do anything because it felt like I couldn't do regular things. Previously, attempted surgeries were done to help with the symptoms, and they did for very short periods of time, for 3 to 6 months maybe. And after 5 years of multiple doctors and multiple procedures, I finally got to see Dr. Jorgensen, and he was able to tell me that it was degenerative disc disease, which nobody had been able to tell me before. And he explains it in a way that makes sense to me. And on top of that, in a hopeful tone, like he knew that this procedure was going to help me.
A cervical disc replacement is considered a day surgery for most patients. We expect you to return to normal function and activities of daily life with actually restored motion and less pain than what you were experiencing before surgery.
So after my cervical disc replacement, I was back to work in 2 weeks. I've spent more time in a compounding hood in the last 3 months than I've spent in the last 1.5 years at my job. That's huge. I could shake my head, I could nod, I could turn to the side and look out the window without it hurting. There isn't a word to describe how grateful I am to Dr. Jorgensen and Rachel and everybody else on their staff. They make you feel like you're not just a patient. They're actually engaging with you on more than just a patient level. The fact that I cannot be in the pain that I was in makes me excited for the next 20 to 40 years. I couldn't say that before.